Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ruby Patel. I am first year student of computer engineering at Swaminarayan University. Today I am going to solve LeetCode problem number 1078, which is occurrences after bigram. So in this problem I have given a string text and two words, which is first and second, and also I have to find the word which is comes immediately after the first and second word in the from the string text. So now let's take an example. So here in example 1, I have given a string text, which, as you can say, it is Alice is a good girl. She is a good student. So here I have to find the third word, which is come immediately after the first and second word. So as you can see, I have first word and then good. So I have to return the girl as the third word in the answer as the output. After that, further, it also has a good and good, which is first and second words. After that, I have to return the third word, which is student. So I have to return girl and student as an answer array. So as I return here girl and student in the output. After that, in example 2, I have a we will rock you. So this is the text, and I have to find the third word, which is come immediately after we and will. So after the we will, it is again we, and after this we will, it is rock. So I have to return we and rock as the answer output. So this is the answer in the form of array, which we have to return. So now let's see the approach to solve this problem. So first of all, I have to store all the words in the vector. After that, I am traversing in a vector and check if the words are equals to if the first of all I have to how I am storing the words in a vector. So for that I have to take a empty string. So all the characters I am storing in a empty string, and after that, if I am finding any space or at the last or the last index, I have to add all the I have to add the word in the vector. After that, I am checking that if the first word which I have given and the second word means I am iterating in a vector and checking if the word of the current index and the word of the next index is equal to first and second word which I have given. So I am moving to the third word, which is I plus 2, and I am adding. So as you can see here, I when I have a store I plus 2, then I am adding it in a answer vector. Now I have to check also if store of I and store of I plus 1 is equals to first and second words which is given in the question. So after that, when I am adding the store of I plus 2 in the answer vector, at last I have to return the answer vector as the output. So as you can see here, here I am checking that I have to return the third word, which is comes after first and second word. So here I have a word first and a good, which is the second word. So I have to return the girl as the third word. So here I am adding girl in the answer vector in the string format. It should be. So it is added in the answer vector. After that, I have to moving forward in this text string. So I am again finding a as the first word and good as the second word. So I have to strictly follow this format, which should be first, second, and third word. So here I have to write. I have to add the third word in the answers vector. So here I have a student. So I am adding student in the answer vector. So this is the output which I have to return. Now let's doing the code. So here, first of all, I have to take the vector of a type string of a store. So this store vector stores all the words of the string text. After that, I have to take vector of a type string also. This stores the answer of the problem. After that, I have to iterate in a text string. So here I am taking the for loop from int I equals to 0 to I should be less than equals to text dot size. Now incrementing I. So in this for loop, I have to check if a text of I is equals to empty space means backspace. So here, or if I becomes equals to text dot size, then I have to add the res. I have to add res in the store. So what is res here? So res is a string which I have used to store the words of the text string. So here I have to add res in the store, and also here I have to take string res. So now when I am adding res, so also I have to initialize res as empty again. After that, I am checking if there is no space or a there is not ending of the string. So I have to add the characters of the text in the res until I do not find the space again. So after that, here again I am running for loop in int I equals to 0 to I plus 2 should be less than store. So I am running for loop in a store dot size. After that, I am incrementing I, and here I have to check that if store current word of the store is equals to first word which I have given in a question, and also there should be store of I plus 1 should be equals to second word which I have given in question. So if these two conditions are equal, then I can add the third word in the answer vector. So here I am adding the third word after the both first and second in the answer vector. So here I have to add store of I plus 2. Now at last I have to return the answer vector as the output. So this is the code. Now let's check if it is working correctly or not. So what is the mistake here? In the 7th line I have forgot here to add I. So this is the small mistake. So as you can see, it passed 2 test cases. Now also I can add custom test case from here. So I can add any word here, and here I am using A B C. Now I am giving the B in the second word. Now let's check if it is working or not. So as you can see, it passed all the our custom test case also. Now let's check the code by running if it is working correctly or not. So now let's submit the code. So as you can see, it passed all the 31 test cases successfully. So this is the solution, and the time complexity and space complexity of the solution is big of n both. So here I am taking the vector to store the results. So it store n values. So the space complexity becomes big of n, and here I am running a for loop. So it's a time complexity is big of n, and again time complexity of a second for loop is big of n. So the total overall time complexity becomes big of n. So this is the solution. If you find this solution helpful, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.